Hey everyone, one of the first things we knew we needed to take care of after getting our new Brinkley 3610 was to take care of the safety issue around this bunk bed. Now this is not unique to Brinkley's. Pretty much all fifth wheels, travel trailers, motorhomes, etc., if they have bunk beds or any elevated bed for that matter, most of them don't have any sort of safety device here. No netting, no railing. There's a few of them out there that do, but most don't. Now we've seen a lot of really nice pictures online, whether it's for Brinkley or other RVs, where people build kind of like a railing system. We've seen metal ones, we've seen really nice paint color matched wood ones, and they look really nice. But there's really a couple of reasons we chose not to do that, and we chose something different. First, the railing. This mattress in this RV is in here pretty tight, which is good. But with a railing in here, now to change the sheets or get the mattress in or out, you have to lift it up and over the railing. And you know, a kid can get in here pretty easily, or an adult just to sleep. But trying to work in here as an adult is not the most user-friendly experience. There's just not a lot of space. The other thing is these walls are not made out like a regular house wall. There's not studs. Now, there are metal pipes in the walls, and there's backing plates and things like that, but it's not like a house where you can use a stud finder easily and find the stud and screw into the stud and make sure it's super secure. So our concern was if somebody was leaning against it really hard, or kids are hanging on it, because we all know that kids like to hang on things, that it could easily rip off and kind of not work anyways. So the solution that we found was a netting solution, and it's pretty clever. It uses a couple of anchors up here. There's one up here, and there's one over here. And then there's a net that goes under the mattress and is screwed into the base of the mattress. One of the concerns we had was how strong were these anchor points going to be up here, and they've been perfectly strong. This is solid wood, and it's resting on top of the other trim pieces over here and here, and it's attached to here, and it's not meant to hold their whole weight. It's actually meant to stop them from rolling out of bed. Underneath the mattress, we've got this thing right here. And what's nice about this is when you are doing laundry, or you need to get in here, or you just want to have it open during the day, you can easily tuck this net away. I'll put links in the description below if you want to check out any of these products. We've had this for a couple of months now, and it's been fantastic. Hasn't had any problems. It's very adjustable. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs here that you attach it to, and then it literally just screws into the bed frame on the bottom. And then when you're ready to hook it up, there's a couple little buckles that slip in and snap onto these brackets here. And then you literally just go like this and snap it into place, just like a seatbelt in your car, and you're good to go. You could obviously trim these off here. We haven't yet because we just don't know if we want to adjust it at all, but it's been fantastic. Our daughter sleeps up here. She's 12, almost 13 years old, probably pushing, I don't know, what's an average kid that size? 100 pounds or something like that. And she'll roll into this and nothing happens. Stuffed animals get pushed into it. It does get a little stretched out. That's the only thing that's kind of a downside, is it's not the stiffest of materials, and it doesn't maintain a really clean, nice, crisp look, but it's very functional. There's a solid bar here on the top that makes it nice and stiff and rigid. And again, if you're just trying to make it look really nice, all you have to do to take it down is clip these 2 buttons here, drop it down, tuck it away, and you're good to go. I will say this about Brinkley's. The ladder, this is one of the strongest, stiffest RV ladders I've ever seen. It is solid metal, drops into these 2 little cleats here. It's got rubber feet on it, and it does not flex, it does not bend. I'm a big guy, I can climb up it, no problem. However, the steps that are on here are thin and they're metal, and again, they're really stiff, they don't bend, but they do hurt your feet. So we opted to get some of these pads that wrap around the steps and just Velcro into place, and it's been great. The kids have loved it. They say it's way more comfortable, and yeah, works pretty well. So I'll put links in the description below if you want to check these out too. But yeah, if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, thanks so much, and we'll see you out there.